Today we will see purchase requisition and then time permits. We will see the goods receipt and invoice receipt of the consumable materials, or we will continue tomorrow. Okay. Purchase requisition. What is a purchase requisition? So purchase requisition is an internal document which states a requirement of materials or services required. So purchase requisition क्या है? It's a requisition which will tell you the requirement of materials in any plant, materials or services. तो कंपनी को अगर कोई मटेरियल या सर्विस चाहिए तो परचेस रिक्विजिशन is used to specify that requirement to the purchase department. Purchasing का activity कौन करता है? Purchase department. Purchase department is responsible for purchasing the materials or services that are required in the company or organization. तो किसी भी कंपनी में अगर कोई भी मटेरियल या सर्विस चाहिए तो द authorized department to purchase that is purchase department. So purchase requisition is an internal document. Why it is an internal document? It is not shared with suppliers or vendors. It is not shared with vendors directly. So जिस डिपार्टमेंट को कोई मटेरियल या सर्विस चाहिए, that department is supposed to raise a purchase request, and that purchase request is handed over to purchase department. So internally, the departments will create purchase requisitions, and those purchase requisitions will go to purchase department, and purchase department's buyers will look into that purchase requisitions and do the following process steps. So once a purchase requisition goes to purchase department, the purchase department buyer will look into it, and based on that, he will either create a RFQ, request for quotation, if that is the first time purchase, or he can take other actions based on that purchase requisitions requirement. So purchase requisition एक डॉक्यूमेंट है जो परचेस डिपार्टमेंट को दिया जाता है, जिसमें मटेरियल या सर्विस का रिक्वायरमेंट स्पेसिफाई होता है. कौन सा मटेरियल चाहिए, कितना क्वांटिटी चाहिए, कब चाहिए, या कौन सा सर्विस चाहिए, कब चाहिए. All the details related to that material or service are specified in the purchase requisition, and that purchase requisition is handed over to purchase department for further action. ठीक है. To create purchase requisition, transaction codes used are ME51N, ME52N, ME53N. ME51N is to create purchase requisition, change purchase requisition, and display purchase requisition. Okay. These are three transaction codes that can be used for creating, changing, or displaying purchase requisition. To release the purchase requisition, ME54 is the transaction code. We will see in a separate chapter what is the release strategy. So releasing is nothing but approving the purchase requisition. If you set the approval process for purchase requisition, the PR can be approved using transaction code ME54N. If you use ME55, you can release the purchase requisitions in mass. Okay. ME54N में आप सिंगल परचेस रिक्विजिशन को अप्रूव कर सकते हो. ME55 में आप मल्टीपल परचेस रिक्विजिशंस को एक साथ अप्रूव कर सकते हो. These two transaction codes we will see when we will see release strategy. Now we will create a purchase requisition. We will try to see the layout of the purchase requisition screen. Okay, and the other important fields or parameters in the purchase requisition that we must keep in mind. Okay, so I'll create a purchase requisition ME51N. So we'll select document type as NB. Okay, if you see the screen, this is similar to purchase order screen. There is header section, there is item detail section, and item overview section, and then we have item detail section. The only thing is, in purchase order you have multiple tabs. In header data, here there is only one tab, that is text tab. Rest everything you can see document overview here also. You can display purchase orders, purchase requisitions in this overview tab. Create to create the new purchase requisition. This is to display the existing purchase requisition. This is to hold the purchase requisition if there is any error. Personal settings, save as template, load from template. ये सब हमने देखा है. ठीक है. Now to create a purchase requisition, here also you can see in item overview, account assignment category is there. If you want to create a purchase requisition for consumable item, material. So purchase requisitions you can create both for consumables as well as stock material, same like purchase order. Okay. Now I'll create a purchase requisition. Let me use this material that is created here. Okay. Copy the material. Account assignment category K, because again this is a consumable material. So if you do not enter account assignment category in consumable material, system will give you error, will not allow you. So if I remove this K from here, cost center, you can see account assignment mandatory for material. Because why this error is coming? This error is coming because this material is consumable material. So when we try to save the purchase requisition when you enter everything and press enter, system checks in material type of this material whether quantity update and value update is selected. This is UNBW material where there is no value update selected. So when there is no value update is selected, system will give you this error because system has to post its value to any GL account at the time of goods receipt. तो system को वो GL account नहीं मिलेगा because इसमें अकाउंटिंग डेटा नहीं है, तो उसमें वैल्यूएशन क्लास नहीं है, तो उसे GL अकाउंट नहीं मिलेगा. तो हमको सिस्टम को GL अकाउंट का इनपुट देना है. For that reason, system will ask you to enter a account assignment category. So when you enter the account assignment category, along with the account assignment category, you need to specify the general ledger account. And you see here GL account is specified. And since we are using a cost center, we need to specify a cost center. Okay, that cost center First, we need to do some configuration settings to enter the cost center here. Okay, then only we can specify here. Let me change the plant. And let me change. Okay. I'll show you that settings tomorrow. What settings we need to do to create the cost center. Okay. So here now you can see I have entered 1000 as the cost center and system has taken that cost center here. So cost center and GL account are mandatory when we use the account assignment category. Okay. तो सिस्टम क्या करता है इस GL अकाउंट में पोस्टिंग करता है when we do the goods receipt. So in consumable materials, the general ledger account is specified manually while creating the purchase requisition or purchase order, जिसमें goods receipt को पोस्टिंग होता है. अदरवाइज स्टॉक के केस में क्या होता है, मटेरियल मास्टर में जो वैल्यूएशन क्लास है उसको जो GL अकाउंट मैप्ड है वो सिस्टम ऑटोमेटिकली डिटरमाइन करता है. Save the requisition and a number is assigned. So each and every PR will have a unique number assigned to it. और ये जो नंबर असाइनमेंट होता है it is based on the document type of the purchase requisition. Display the purchase requisition. So this is the PR that we created. Now here in material data tab you can see the information related to material. In quantities you can see different data here, how much quantity PR we have created, open quantity, because this PR is not yet converted into a purchase order. So इसका ओपन क्वांटिटी आपको 1000 दिखा रहा है, क्वांटिटी ऑर्डर 0, अभी तक इसका PO नहीं बना है. So quantity ordered is 0. When you will create the purchase order, this quantity ordered will update. जितने क्वांटिटी का आप PO बनाओगे उतना क्वांटिटी यहाँ पे अपडेट होगा. Delivery date, by when we are expecting the delivery of this material. A request date, that is nothing but PR creation date. Release date, by default it is 26/09/2023. Release date is nothing but approval date. So when there is no approval for the purchase requisition, by default PR creation date is the PR approval date. डिलीवरी टाइम अगर मेंटेन किया होगा तो यहाँ पे आता है GR प्रोसेसिंग टाइम, अगर मेंटेन किया होता तो यहाँ पे आ जाता. अगर मटेरियल सब्जेक्ट टू शेल्फ लाइफ होता तो यहाँ पे उसका रिमेनिंग शेल्फ लाइफ आता अगर हमने मटेरियल मास्टर में वो मेंटेन किया होता. देन क्लोज्ड, व्हेन यू क्रिएट अ परचेस ऑर्डर, at that point of time if you want to close this requisition, this checkbox can be selected. In valuation you can see valuation price. So valuation price in purchase order, in purchase requisition. So in case of consumable materials, this valuation price we need to enter manually. If the material is stock material, the valuation price in purchase requisition is determined from the material master record. So let me write it down. Valuation price in PR. In case of consumable materials with or without material master, we need to enter valuation price in case of material PR. Price is determined from material master accounting data, PR, automatically. Now, this is important, okay? When you create a purchase requisition for stock material, the price in PR is copied from the material master record. Now, when you create a PO with reference to that PR, the price is copied from the purchasing information record and not from the PR और मटेरियल मास्टर. तो पीओ में हमेशा जो प्राइस आता है वो पीआईआर से ही आता है, मटेरियल मास्टर से नहीं आता है, अगर वो स्टॉक मटेरियल का हो. सेम वे, तो पीआर में अगर स्टॉक मटेरियल का पीआर हम निकाल रहे हैं तो उस केस में मटेरियल मास्टर का जो प्राइस है वो परचेज रिक्वेजिशन में आता है. कंज्यूमेबल का अगर पीआर है तो प्राइस हमको मैन्युअली एंटर करना पड़ता है पीआर में. दैट प्राइस इज अ टेंटेटिव प्राइस, ठीक है, क्योंकि परचेज डिपार्टमेंट का जो बायर है वो जब वेंडर के साथ निगोशिएट करेगा तो वो प्राइस चेंज हो सकता है एट द टाइम ऑफ क्रिएशन ऑफ परचेज ऑर्डर. 1 मिनट. ओके, सो प्राइस इन परचेज रिक्विजिशन, अगर मटेरियल स्टॉक का है तो हमको मटेरियल मास्टर से प्राइस आएगा, अदरवाइज वी नीड टू एंटर इट मैन्युअली. ठीक है, इसको चेंज करके देखते हैं. वी विल ऐड वन मोर मटेरियल इन द पीआर which is a stock material and we will see. This is a stock material. How I am identifying this is a stock material? Because there is no account assignment category. अगर परचेस ऑर्डर में अकाउंट असाइनमेंट कैटेगरी है या पीआर में अकाउंट असाइनमेंट कैटेगरी है तो दैट इज अ कंज्यूमेबल आइटम. इफ अकाउंट असाइनमेंट कैटेगरी इज ब्लैंक, दैट इज अ स्टॉक मटेरियल, क्योंकि स्टॉक मटेरियल के केस में अकाउंट असाइनमेंट कैटेगरी नहीं लगता है. तो मैंने यहाँ पे स्टॉक मटेरियल डाला, प्लांट AGP2 का मटेरियल लेना पड़ेगा हमको, M60 AGP2. Take any material here. See here. Account assignment mandatory for this material. ऐसे कैसे हो गया? नहीं, देखो ठीक है, ROH है फिर भी वो अकाउंट असाइनमेंट को पूछ रहा है, तो इसका मतलब ROH में किसी ने तो गड़बड़ कर दिया. ROH मटेरियल टाइप ही हटा दिया किसी. रॉ मटेरियल स्टैंडर्ड दिख रहा है कहीं पे? ROH नहीं है ना, डिलीट कर दिया किसी ने तो. That's the reason we are getting that error. date. ठीक है, यहाँ पे वैल्यूएशन क्वांटिटी अपडेट बाय वैल्यूएशन एरिया, वैल्यू अपडेट बाय वैल्यूएशन एरिया, ये ठीक है। अकाउंट कैटेगरी रेफरेंस, यहाँ पे जो प्लांट रहेगा AGP2, उसके सामने क्वांटिटी अपडेट वैल्यू अपडेट सिलेक्टेड होना चाहिए। PA11 क्वांटिटी अपडेट वैल्यू अपडेट सिलेक्ट। तो अगर कोई मटेरियल टाइप में चेंजेस करेगा तो वो एरर हमको यहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन में आएगा। ठीक है, अभी अगर हम चेक करेंगे तो नहीं पूछना चाहिए मटेरियल। Where and you see the price 15 rupees is copied from the material master record. If you display the material, go to accounting data, the price is, it's a split valuated material, तो इसका valuation type क्या है? You can see 15 rupees price is there.